Okay, so it says to use P equals 2L plus 2W to give expression for the perimeter of the rectangles, and that is a good way to do it. You can use another formula, and the other formula looks like this. P equals 2 and then times L plus W. So let's use that and see if you can solve them with this. So P equals 2 times L plus W, which means, let's just plug in what we know. The length is, what is that, 3x plus 2, and then we're going to add the width, which is x plus 1. So all we have to do is really, not to make a mistake, is to identify all the different terms so we don't get confused. That's a positive. And now we just have to multiply out of those brackets. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times positive 2 is positive 4. 2 times positive x is positive 2x. And 2 times positive 1 is positive 2. So now we just need to simplify. P equals 6, 7, 8 x and 4, 5, 6, positive 6, and that is the expression. For this one, the same approach. Let's go perimeter equals 2 length plus width. So let's plug the information in. 2 times length, so 2 times 2y plus 5 plus the width, which in this case is 2y. So let's multiply out of these brackets. 2 times 2y is 4y. 2 times plus 5 is plus 10. And 2 times plus 2y is plus 4y. So the last line, we're just simplifying what we have there. So 4 plus 4y equals 8y plus 10. For the last one here, we have perimeter equals 2L length plus width. So let's plug in what we know is 2 of these. So 3y minus 1 plus whatever the width is, which is y plus 1. And let's multiply out of these brackets. 2 times 3y is 6y. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. 2 times y is 2y. And 2 times 1 is 2. Don't need that bracket. Okay, so the last line, I just need to simplify what I've got here. So 6y plus 2y is 8y. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so don't need to include that. And that is the final answer.